guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a favorites and giveaway video. So, Born Pretty asked if I wanted to sponsor a giveaway, and I said of course, and I figured why not show some of my favorite Born Pretty products and then talk about the giveaway. And they are also doing an Easter sale, and they have some extra details on their website, but they are doing 10% off if you buy 3 items, 15% off if you buy 4, and 20 if you buy more. So again, let's get into it, and then I will go ahead and go over the giveaway. So, Born Pretty stamping polishes. Obviously they don't look like this. I have had these for years, and they're still going. Like, they're not dead by any stretch of the imagination. So these are definitely some of my favorites. They go well against Clear Jelly Stamper, you know, MANIOLOGY, which was Bundle Monster Co. So again, these hang in with the best. So love their stamping polishes. And then without stamping polishes, you can't bring up, you know, stamping blades. If you've been with me, this is probably my most used stamping plate. So I have done quite a few hauls, but I always come back to this stamping plate. Like even now, this is probably 3 or 4 years old at this point, and I still come back to this because I think this is my favorite one. So this is the Born Pretty L052. There we go. Hands down, my favorite stamping plate that they have. I got it in a huge pack, so I have a ton of different stamping plates. I always come back to them. They are just solid and affordable. So, plates, polishes, and of course the stampers and scrapers also go good together, I should say. They all are a good package. But let's jump into some of the polishes. So I love their fancy or unique stamping polishes that they have. So this is your normal cat eye, and this, when you put on your nails, you just cat eye it. And then I have this flash gel. I like the neutral of this flash gel. I've tried many times to show on camera with my studio lights how these flash gels work. It never works out, so I always end up throwing a, you know, normal video in it with my phone, but you guys get it. You know what flash gels are at this point. So I love the neutral of this one. I guess I should tell you the names if I'm going to show you my favorites. So this one is CS02. And this one, I'm just gonna drop everywhere, don't mind me, is FBS05. So there's that one. And then if you watched this video where I hauled this specific cat eye glitter polish, you would know I lost my mind. So you know this is going to be in there. I loved this one so much. Like, just gives me all that feel. And I have used this in a couple tutorials. So this might be my favorite. This might be my favorite over of the next one that I'm about to show you, but just hang in there with me, okay? This is one of the newer ones that they came out with, which is the hollow cat eye. And you can see how fine that is. You probably can't even see. Let's see, is my camera focusing? I don't even know if it's focusing, but this one is a stunner. I have the haul and I have a tutorial that I can link if I flip the video. Here's my video and I flip it down here. Would this be the top corner that they show up in? I don't know, but oh, didn't flip it. obsessed. Look at this cat eye, man. I love it so much. So again, between this one and I should show you this one too, because this is one of my favorites as well. Okay. You just see it just run up there. Do you see it just going? It's a duochrome cat eye glitter. Just so much feels here. So yeah, I guess I should bring that up closer too. Anyway, so these are some of my favorites. Now let's go back in the day. So this one I used in so many tutorials, and like look how much is still left. This, it might be too bright. I swear if I drop this I'm gonna be so mad. This is literally just like a chrome powder, but it is a clear one or a pearl frost, so it doesn't actually change the color underneath. It literally just goes on top perfectly. This over a white polish is something else. All right, so those are some of my favorites here. You know, I gotta put the stamping plate on top because if you've been with me forever, you guys know that that stamping plate is my jam. Okay. Let's talk giveaway. Born Pretty was kind enough to do a giveaway. I don't have the products, so they are going to directly send them to you. So I will go ahead and put the different listings that are going to be given away. There is going to be one winner and Born Pretty will ship it to you. So all you have to do to enter is write a comment of what your favorite Born Pretty product is, or which one you're most excited about in the giveaway, and you must be subscribed to me and go ahead and like this video, and that's it. So thank you so much Born Pretty for sponsoring this giveaway.